after seeing this video, you will never throw away your old wigs. This was how I was able to transform my old wig into this beautiful wig with just few products, so this video is going to be a very detailed tutorial. Watch closely to the very end and you will learn this beautiful skill. You don't even need to take your wig to the salon to get them done. And all the products I'm going to use in this video, the link to get them will be in the description of this video. If we are in Nigeria, if you are in other country, the link will be in the description. So watch the tutorial and I will drop the link for you to get the products. You get them and you start doing all these things by yourself. Like, you don't even need to pay huge amounts of money to learn this beautiful skill. Now get a piece of paper and a biro to write down all these products. So when you get to this part, just put your wig inside, just like you are seeing here now, and you cover it. Allow the wig to stay in the hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes. When you are done with this part, now this is the next stage. So this particular part now, you will see that I want to use my hair dryer to dry this place, but you can hair dry it like just after rinsing the wig, using cold water to rinse the wig. Then you can go put it outside to sun. Yes, let the wig dry naturally. But if you are lazy like me, or maybe you need your wig ASAP, like you need it for something, then you can use your hand dryer to dry it. And while drying it, don't use the hot, use the coolest to dry it. But this one will take you electricity. This one will it do not take time to be very fast, but you have to, if there is no light, you have to on the generator to achieve this. So to avoid all these unnecessary expenses, and maybe it's not it's not something you need very fast, you can allow hair to blow it to dry for you. Now look at my wig. In no time, the wig is ready. Now when you are done with this stage, you have to move to the next stage, which is the straightening and styling. If you have gotten to this part, congratulations, because you are almost there. You can see the wig, how the wig was before and how the wig is now. So the next thing you are going to do now is just to comb that hair a little bit. Then you get a scissors, a sharp scissors, to trim the edge. This part you have to be very careful. You don't have to rush this part so that it doesn't damage your wig. Calm down and trim this wig. Just use your comb it down. Anyone that is the one that is longer than the rest of the other wig, just trim it. You can see this video is actually very detailed, and everything was displayed well in this video. So if you are watching this video to the very end, you should be able to revamp, recreate, redesign your old wig. You should be able to transform your old wig into a new wig, and voila, this is the final look. You can see that the wig is now looking so beautiful, so pink, so amazing with just those few products. If you have watched the video to this part, please kindly like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing content, and yes, share the description of this video for the product recommendation. Like, just get everything, just get it, and you can revamp your wig yourself. You can even help your friends and ask them for small money. Yes, you can even start doing for people and ask them, and if you want to charge, you have to charge nicely, because products are not cheap in the market, you get. So yes, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.